Hello everyone, this video is for my conference at ICOBAR conference, and this is my presentation. For the first, I come from Binus University at Computer Science Department, School of Computer Science in Jakarta. The title is Enhancing Digital Whales, Smart Education, and Stable AI Approximation Emotion for Detection Based Learning Environment, with the key emotion detection and stable learning and Indonesian LP. We pointing this for make a relation with SDGs number 3, good and healthy well-being, and uh, SDG number 4, quality education. This resources right by me and my lecture. Me is Agustinus Paramilman Tobing and my lecture is Ajung Lande. So in this resources with have background with the shifting to instant messaging education has reduced non-verbal cause because creating emotion gap make it harder to detect student stress and disagreement. Is risking to lower motivation outcomes in the future technical our understanding emotion stability is crucial. So training system must be sensed to figure the stress and provide the performance loss. Biographic ceremony is a purpose as an AI-based solution with emotion intelligence to provide real-time emotion sensing, adaptivity, feedback, and personally based for more efficiency and human-centered learning. So we must know about evolution of emotion detection. The era is from early era where we know about rules-based and dictionary, and that is right and family and fails to harassment. But the news or the our researchers think about the transformation era, where now we have a bird and GPT in large language model, where this have attention and deep notion about and understanding. So this researchers have a methodology and research design. After we research the problem, we think about the literature review and experience formula. Experiment formula make we think about the methodology design. In methodology design, we think about how to make comparison analysis and ensemble construction. After that is two things is happen and we have the point of view, we get the new results interpretation, and that's make we new have a conclusion and recommendation. The pointing if need to be preparation data, whereas data is come from Indonesia dataset, and the dataset is have many things point that is from Kaggle and get Garhadi is give we know about the data, and characteristic the data is informal text, slang, and abbreviations. The reflection is to real student, and now we pre-processing the data. The cache is cleaning data, cache folding, and noise removal. The data is have a pre-processing, and now we balancing the data to many things label, and the sample label is happy, sad, and angry. So the next is think about how have a discussion and how make decision of the model. We think about efficiency where we get a model in IndoBird and also with LCM, but we think again about the large language model we using GPT 3.5 Turbo and DeepSeek Chat. So after it, we think about how to make ensemble strategy in hard voting. The final data will be going input to the bit test data and inference to paste. After that makes a thing a new settlement state. We get a new voting aggregator. After it, we make to be majority voting. If that is 2 or 3 vote, we will make it to be finalizable. But if not, they will insert to tie majority, and the tie majority is a priority to get model to GPT or BERT. So after it, we get experiment result with score 69% at GPT 3.5 Turbo. In this presentation, I have to give the view of the table where the model's accuracy F1 and F1 score is advantage to be make this decision. And we know about GPT 3.5 is accuracy champion, LSTM is efficiency champion, and suitable for constraint device. The ensemble combination is 3 for maximum reliability. The discussion of this research is theoretical implementation and limitation. The theoretical implementation is thinking about bring the gap between high resources LLM and low resources model, and realize the concept of empathic machine perception in cognitive science. The limitation of these researches is data proxy using social media data from Kaggle as a proxy for a real student chat due to privacy. The validation need to feature validation on actually learning management system logs. And the conclusion of these researches is to try how to these studies show the Ansible AI approximation is effective for efficiency, about 89% accuracy in Indonesia text classification. The system support to human-machine collaboration by detecting emotion like anger and frustration in a real time and providing data adaptive for feedback to maintain performance and reduce training failures. Ultimately, it's help building recently emotion support workspace for high demand and technical environment. So that is a presentation for me. Thank you very much.